Hi, this video will help you learn how to move an assignment out of Schoology into Notability, do some work on it, and then bring it back and submit it to a teacher's assignment on Schoology again. So we'll use my daughter's account here. We'll just go into her courses. We'll scroll down. We'll navigate to the Summer G67 class. It's one of the summer training activities, and it's assignment number 5. You can see that it's already been submitted. I had her do this herself, but I want to do a tutorial of it. So when we open the assignment, we'll see that there's some attachments and there's some directions. We're going to open up the attachment, and there's a video tutorial, which is what I'm making right now. But above that is the PDF, the first grade addition practice. We're going to open that up. You'll see it's a real simple sheet. And up in the top right-hand corner of your iPad, you're going to see kind of a curved arrow. That means forward to or export. So we're going to open that up, and there's all kinds of options that you can do here. You can do Drive if you want, or Chrome, but we're going to choose Notability. And we are going to select to create a new note. And then we don't need to change the note title. That's what all this is right down here. We'll just go right up into the top right-hand corner, and we'll hit Import. Now that file has been sent to Notability, so I can click Done, and I can close that window, the export window, and I can actually close my Schoology app. Navigate to my home screen on the iPad. I can choose Notability. Here's that first grade addition practice. So we will go ahead and do a couple of things here. 1 plus 3 is 4. We'll color in a couple circles here. And 2 plus 3 is 5. Again, we're just kind of counting on these. It's just a practice activity. Obviously, you don't need to worry about this. Now, when you're done with that sheet, you are ready to export this. Now, there's two ways. The first way I'm going to show you always works. You make sure you got your whole worksheet. You can see I have some answers or some additional problems there. We're just going to do this first sheet. Just make sure you have the whole sheet lined up and in your window pane, and then you hit the home button and the top button and screenshot it. Now that's going to go right into my photos, and I'm just going to close out of Notability. I'm going to go back into Schoology. I'm going to navigate back. Let's just go all the way back. We're going to choose that assignment that we want to upload it to. We're going to hit Submissions. We're going to hit the plus key in the top right-hand corner. We'll submit photo or video. Yes, we're going to let it access my videos, and we'll go to the recent photos, kind of scroll down to the bottom, and there's that sheet that I did. So we're just going to hit that check mark 2 times, and it'll upload that revision. All right, you can see I have a number of those revisions in there. Now, if I wanted to check it, I could check it and make sure that that's the right thing. Yep, and that's what we did. You can see what it looks like. All right, that's the simplest way, and it always works. Now, I'm going to show you a different way to do it as well. When you're in Notability, let's take this back and put this back under the assignment just so we're cleaned up. Now, when we're in Notability, you can also export it. If you look in the top left-hand corner, you're going to see a box with a little up arrow. If you touch that box, you can send this to something. Now, it would be really nice if Schoology was right here, but it's not. So we're going to hit Other Apps, and we're going to hit to share that note. And now we can move this around, and we can find Schoology up here. Should be up here. Hit More. Where's my Schoology? Here's Schoology. Copy to Schoology. All right, now we're going to hit Submit to an assignment. Now this is where you have to navigate to it. So you see how it's showing all of Tara's courses here? So we're going to go down to the Summer G67, and that was assignment number 5, Schoology and Notability, and we can upload it here as well. Now this is coming directly out of, this is called exporting out of Notability right into Schoology. Both methods work fine. That first method, taking a screenshot and uploading it, is just fine, and it always works. So sometimes when teachers have too many assignments, it's pretty difficult to navigate, and sometimes it won't even find it. Oftentimes in math, you'll have a couple of hundred assignments by the end of the year, and it just struggles trying to locate those. All right, thanks for listening.